I'm Cherie's nutritionist and author of the One Pot Alkaline Diet Cookbook. And today I actually want to cook one of the recipes from my cookbook with you today. Now, I want you to understand that the alkaline diet and the plant-based diet can be super simple, but I simplify it even more in this book because every single recipe is made in only one pot. That's why it's going to be simple enough for me to show you one of the recipes today. So today we're going to make the coconut-macaroon smoothie, which is so simple it will blow your mind. But it's also a great source of protein because we use quinoa in it as well. So let's make this really quickly and easily together. So we're going to take 1 can of coconut milk and put it into our blender. We are also going to add in a 1/2 cup of cooked quinoa. It's got to be cooked already or this isn't going to work. Then we're going to take some unsweetened shredded coconut and we're going to add that in as well. I'm pretty loose with measurements, as you'll see, but whatever makes a recipe taste good, I'm good with. Then we're going to do a teaspoon of vanilla. Just have enough there. As well as I'm putting in 4 pitted dates. The recipe calls for 2, which is great for a breakfast, but if you're making it for a snack or dessert, I like to sweeten it up just a little bit. And then a generous cup of ice cubes. And we're gonna blend it up, which will take about 60 seconds, and then we can enjoy. Perfect, all done. Now we can pour it up. This serves 2, this recipe. You definitely wanna share it because it's so super delicious. And voila, breakfast and snack is served. Cheers. I could seriously drink this all day. All day. Okay. Good thing cleanup is easy.